Hi everyone. So this is just a very quick video that I am going to show you how to get those images the way that I showed you yesterday in class, how to get those images, and if we can and you'd like them to have that transparent background. So remember, we looked for ice cream because somebody wanted to put that ice cream was one of their favorite things. And so we just looked for ice cream in Google and we looked at the images. And here where it says tools, I clicked on tools and then I came to where it says color and I choose transparent. And so now I chose the image. This was the image that I chose. So I'm going to choose this image, and you can do one of two things. So you can either save this image to your desktop, um, or you can just Control C, so you can, or right click, and you can copy the image, or you can save the image, and then you can just go into Seesaw. And this is, I have the template opened for the poster to be made, and I'm just going to click on Control V, which is paste. And so I'm going to paste this image in here now. So that's how we did it. My concern is that, so what I'm showing you now is from a computer, from a laptop, not from a Mac and not from an iPad. But I'm guessing that if you were on an iPad or a Mac, you can do the same thing by going to Google and you have the tools and you choose the color and transparency and you can select to copy or save the image. If you're on an iPad, I believe maybe it goes into the gallery. And then from this page in Seesaw, if you click here on the camera on the left-hand side, you can upload. If you click there, it probably is going to take you to give you the options of where you can select your pictures from. So either a file, or I'm guessing if you're on an iPad, it would be from your gallery. That option would come up. I hope that this helps.